So what is the Spungella animation workshop? If you're watching this, you must be somewhat curious, or you want a refresher, or you randomly clicked on it, who knows, but I will give you the short version first. You can sign up at any time. You can submit whatever you want. You can submit whenever you want, and you get a total of 16 submissions. And all of that will cost you $500 paid via PayPal. Now, the longer version. So you can sign up whenever you want. So that's pretty clear. You can sign up tomorrow. You can sign up in a week. There is no set window where the signups are closed. You can submit whatever you want. That means that you can do a bouncing ball. You can do an advanced acting piece. You can send me storyboards. You can pitch a story. It's whatever you want that I can give you feedback on. You can submit whenever you want, meaning that you can choose your submission day. So it could be once a week, let's say on a Thursday, just to pick a day. Or you can do every 2 weeks, or every couple weeks with some breaks in between, or you can do every day, which someone just did recently. It doesn't really matter. It's whatever works best for you, for your schedule. I'm just there to give you feedback. Sign up whenever you want, show me whatever you want, send it whenever you want. I'll just give you feedback as long as it works for you. Now, when it comes to the submissions, what type of email, maybe the file you want to send me, all that stuff is going to be an FAQ that's below in the description. So I'm not going to bore you with reading the FAQ out loud here. The main thing is though, I will ask you if I have your permission to post your feedback online, as I'm doing now. I'm going to post all my older critiques and the newer critiques on YouTube, but that is only with the permission of the animators. And I was going to post all my older ones, but then I realized as I went back, when I started in 2010, which is almost 10 years ago, that the very first critiques were in written form. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna post all the new ones from a certain date and then go backwards from there, and I will mark them as archives. And you will see as I go further back, the resolution is gonna get smaller and smaller. So at one point I will stop, but hopefully whatever I upload will be of some help. If by any chance the critiques are somewhat confusing, or you're not kind of getting the breakthrough that you're looking for, people also send me their Maya files and I can take a look at them, potentially animate parts of their shot so they can see it before and after for maybe a better visual explanation. The type of feedback is kind of flexible. Again, whatever works for you, whatever works and fits your learning schedule, your pattern, and how you like to receive information. Okay, so I would say subscribe to the channel if you want to get regular updates of when I upload new feedback, and if you want to get just more channel updates in general, I would love that. A like and subscribe, as people say. And that is about it. Any questions? Post it in the comments. I will reply there, and I can email you back. You can always email me privately. And thanks for watching.